Here's a new trending app called Doka Cam. This is kind of vintage camera app, Chinese app where you can use it. Also, it's AI camera which has a lot of AI customizations, a lot of AI filters. This camera helps you capture perfectly balanced compositions and natural true-to-life colors with AI real-time composition guidance and smart filter features. AI composition guide, classic filters plus AI recommendations, light, minimal, pure, built for mobile. Our composition model is trained exclusively for standing smartphone photography, not irrelevant DSLR shots. So here you can just open it up. Here is how it looks like. Kind of you can just take photos. In the bottom left, you select kind of old school vintage camera which you like to use. Black and white, some of these. So for example, you have here, and then you just have it like that. And then there is AI composition. So that's kind of the idea of it. And that's how you helps it out. Then multi-view composition. So more with AI things. Multi-view composition. So all this kind of cool AI settings which help you with composition, with setting the photo and so on. And then just basically that's the idea. That's kind of where you have it. And then you have the camera and AI filters. This button uses AI filters on its own. So pretty cool. Nice. So this is kind of what you're kind of getting with AI filters, whatever this is. And then it's automatically adjust here. You can see in the top. That's kind of what you're getting. You can just play with it, and this app is kind of cheap. So I think it's it's not that popular yet, but try it out. Also, you need to know this is kind of Chinese app, so just depends. Your data can be not safe. Maybe your data is basically your photos will be used to train AI. You never know, but that's kind of what you have.